Every day I get to show up to work and we're doing something under this roof that's never been done before in the history of humankind. Centuria Foods started out as a CBD ingredients manufacturer where usually we'd sell ingredients to a brand. That brand would go to a CPG facility to make those physical products. Now we can do everything under one roof. That saves our clients a lot of time and a lot of money. We've got 55,000 square foot facility here, and there's definitely no one in the industry that has as many certifications that are important to both consumers and the FDA that we have here. We know exactly which farm every drop of oil has been farmed on. We have the soil reports from that soil. We have water reports from the water that was used. We have handling documents on how it was harvested and how it was dried. We're definitely in the 1% on that one.
Depending on our customer needs, the way our warehouse is set up is we do not have fixed rooms. We have these more modular rooms that can be repurposed at any time.
We have incredible customers that trust us so much that we are their exclusive suppliers of CBD for the next decade. And I just think that speaks volumes of someone that comes in with their entire quality team. They look at what we're doing, the approach that we're taking to ingredient manufacturing and products manufacturing.
Our ability to expand and increase our throughput is almost limitless.
The most unique technology that we have here under this roof right now is the ability to produce 400% as much CBD as the entire global demand right now requires. And we can do all of that in a water-soluble format. If you take 100 milligrams of CBD in oil form or isolate form, only 6 milligrams gets into your bloodstream. It's grossly inefficient. The first thing that we did was change the polarity of the compound to make it water-soluble so that the body absorbs it at an increased rate.
Not only do people get a better effect from it in a short amount of time, but then they would need less of the material.
I think over the next 3 years, 90% of CBD's revenue increases are going to come out of the functional beverage industry.
The beverage market's great because with our water-soluble material, we have a couple different formulas, some that are transparent and some that are opaque. With the transparent ones, we can really go into what would be a clear water or a water bottle that you'd find on the shelf, which then lends itself to a nice clean look.
We're talking to a handful of large breweries in the United States that are fascinated with the idea of putting CBD into their beer. And when we add our water-soluble hemp to those IPAs, it is instantly making that beer better. What really drives me long-term is the fact that we're not a company that's just going to do one thing for the next 10 years.
Our ultimate goal is trying to positively affect as many people in the world as we can.
CBD is just the beginning. Over the next decade, we're going to identify the other 114 cannabinoids that really haven't been researched heavily yet. We'll be generating new ingredients, new products that are revolutionary for the human body every year. And the result of what we're doing here is going to be healthier humans.